word language or tale to say something. In that case, that kanji are used basically. So here is one sound only, go, go, just this sound, go, only one sound in N5 and N4 level. So here is sound is go, only one sound. So here is two words, ego, ego, we know ego, this is mean English, ego, ego, English, nihongo, Japanese, nihongo, nihongo, Japanese. So this is called only go, go. So this is a meaning of word here, word or language, that's one, or tale or say something. In that case, that kanji basically is used. So here is one sentence, we know this is called mainichi, mainichi. So each and every day, mainichi, nihongo, nihongo, here is same, nihongo no hon, you know, hon, nihongo no mainichi, nihongo no hon o yomimasu, hon o yomimasu, yomimasu. Each and every day I read Japanese book, nihongo no hon o yomimasu. So here only go means either eigo, nihongo, different language. So in language A, that means excellent, or England, this is called A. Nihon, Japan, Nihon. So nihongo, nihongo. So go means language.